today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Myfirstwig. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. Let's go ahead and get into this hot pink box. What y'all think it is? I'm giving you a little time. What you think? Okay, that's enough. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Yeah. Okay, it's a little bit different, so we're gonna get to that. My bob came out of a little package, but you guys already know what comes into my first wig box: wig cap, rat tail comb, and then also your little bag to store your unit in. And open this unit up. 13 by 6 curtain bang Yaki bob. It is in the length 10 inches. It does have your pre-cut lace, also your deep bleached knots, and your extra plucked hairline. 10 inches to me on a bob, if it's cut right, and I can already kind of tell this cut looks nice. If it's cut right, it's gonna be real good. So this is what the cap construction looks like. You get a comb on each side. This is your parting space area. As you can see, they did bleach the knots. No comb in the middle. You do get a comb in the nape area. Your adjustable elastic band. You get your adjustable strap in the nape, and you also get a drawstring for extra security. What the lace looks like against my skin. I might just add a very small amount of tint spray, nothing too heavy, because they do offer your Swiss lace, so it pretty much blends well to your skin. And you can also just kind of put a little powder and go on about your day. That is your parting space area, which I'll show you when I put it on, because the parting space does go further back. So let me add a little bit of this tint spray to the very front of the hairline, and then I'll be back to show you guys what the unit is going to look like on before we do anything else. So this is what it looks like on right now, and I know it don't look like much, but you already know. Trust the process, because I am going to get this unit together. I love the length because, you know, I prefer to have something a little bit shorter, especially if you're going to be having on sweaters and jackets and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong. All lengths of a bob are great for me, but it's something about a shorter length when it's cut right. Like I said, it's going to be good. It already comes parted as a middle part. You can go further back if you would like. Okay, look at all that scalp. And then of course, if you don't want it in the middle, you can always part this on the side. Of course, with the hairline, they did a really good job with this hairline. Also a really good job with the knots, because they're very small. Because this is a curtain bang bob, we are going to just kind of focus on recreating the curtain bang look. And I don't get many curtain bangs often, so I'm always excited when I can get one, just because I love the way a good curtain bang looks. Now, because this is a 13 by 6, I am gonna have to cut some of this off on the side, just because it does overlap my ear. That's not a big deal for me. Same thing on the other side. As far as the fit goes, this is a cap size 1. I do have a small head. It fits me perfectly. I adjusted the strap. I also adjusted the elastic band, and I used the drawstring, and it's on. Let's go ahead and get to installing this unit. This one is going to be very easy and simple. I don't think this is going to take any time at all. And then of course you guys will see the finished look, and then I'll come back and tell you my final thoughts. grown. Yes, ma'am. Yes. I like the middle part with the curtain bangs. I mean, that's cute, but it's something about this side part. And I love to have a versatile unit that I can take from the middle to the side and it's still gonna look good. Yes, you can tuck it, you can untuck it, like you can fluff it up even more. Whatever you choose to do, the layers, just the way that it flows. Installed this unit today. I used 2 products. I used a little bit of my wig grip spray right on the edges just because I didn't want them to lift because it is a 13x6. So of course I was going to flap up, or I could have just added a bobby pin if you want to be completely glueless. And then just to kind of give it more of a tacky hold, I added the Tailored Crown Glueless Goo Styling Foam. This is still considered glueless. It's just a little bit more stickier than my regular mousse. And I just use that at the very edge. I did add a little bit of my tint spray that I told y'all. I did not have to go in and add any powder to the parting space, nor did I have to add any powder to the very front of the hairline. So everything laid out really well. The bob is pretty much already pre-styled for you. So I added a little bit of heat and kind of bumped it in certain places, but I didn't have to bump it all the way around. My main focus was the very front of the unit to bring out the curtain bang style. Even though they already had it layered for you, I felt the layers were just a little bit too long for my liking. So I did go in and kind of cut down the front just a little bit shorter, not too short. And I'm happy that they left it a little bit longer because some people may not want it that short. It depends on your face. It depends on how long you like your layers. So I wanted mine to be a little bit shorter. It didn't take me any time to cut it down. I feel like it's a piece of hair right there. It didn't take me any time to cut it down. I used my flat iron and curled it back in like a little C shape. And then I just kind of pushed it forward, and then it already had the layers right here. Now in the middle part, I will say that I wish it was just like a little bit thicker in certain areas, but once I moved it to the side, girl, all that went out the window. Miss Ma'am looks good, okay? I ran into a small amount of shedding, and that's only because I had to cut into the lace by my ear, but I don't expect much to happen with this unit. Also, I really don't expect many snags because of the length. It's 10 inches. It's a Yaki texture. It's very, very light. Around to the back, and I kind of like fluffed it around. You can see the layers in the back too, which I love. This unit is pretty much layered all the way around. I think that this length looks really, really good. This will be good for a holiday party or just something you want to wear every day. This is going to be on the low maintenance side. It's beginner friendly. It's not gonna break the bank, and Miss Ma'am looks good. Now I have to go in with my Sleek and Shine Serum for frizziness and flyaways. I am noticing a little bit of frizziness up in this area, but actually it's not a lot. It's more so for me playing with the hair, and I don't see too many flyaways going on either. I think you can see a little bit right here, but that's because of the way I flip the hair, and I just don't want to mess it up because I want this flip to stay this way. Overall, this is cute. I am not mad at this. Y'all have to let me know which was your favorite. Was it the middle part or the side part? This kind of gives me the feel of one of the bob units that I did from the company. That one was a little bit more angled, and that was a really popular unit that I reviewed. Everybody loved it. I'll leave that link down below if you guys have not seen that. But I love that bob, and y'all did too. And this just kind of gives me like a longer, more sleek version. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about this. If you are interested in this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.